All right, today I have the Rode Wireless Go 2, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the Rode Wireless Go 2 as well as how to turn off the Rode Wireless Go 2. So in my hands I have two transmitters, also act as a microphone if you want to be using this as a microphone, has a microphone input. And then I also have a Rode Wireless Go receiver right here. Okay, this is the receiver. You can see there is no microphone on this. So in order to turn the Rode Wireless Go on, find this icon at the bottom of the Rode Wireless Go, and you have them at the bottom of the transmitter and then at the bottom of the receiver. Okay, so you have two transmitters and one receiver. All right, so to turn it on with the transmitters / microphone, all you do is find this button, and then you're going to hold it down until the blue light comes on. And when the blue light comes on, you can see that it's lit up. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the receiver, the power. I'm going to find that same looking icon, which is actually at the top on the receiver, and I'm going to hold it down until it turns on. Press the button, held it down, and you can see that it is currently powered on. And you see right here it says microphone 1 right here. It's transmitting. See that? And so I'm going to turn on the second transmitter. Right now it's only showing number 1. It's going to show number 2 in a second. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold it until it comes on. Now it just turned on just like that. And so I'm talking, and you can see, if you come in closer, you can see both are on power, and it shows how much battery is left on each of them. You can see like it's about 75% on both the transmitter and receivers, or transmitters and receiver, just like that. All right, so that's how you turn them on. And to turn them off, I'm just simply going to come back to this right here, press that, hold it down, POP, and right here I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. It's powering off right here and powering this one off too. All right, so that is how you turn on and off the power on a Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system. This is both the transmitters and the receiver. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.